camp. A place where, if you let it, the outside world's buzz fades away like the early morning fog. Where the past is behind you and the future is unknown. However, the present is just that, a gift. Shared with friends and family, the memories made are more valuable than any dollar amount. Even while alone, the peace and tranquility of the outdoors crashes over you like a rogue wave, but ever so softly. Join me on this main adventure, and I'll show you the way life should be up to camp.
Cheers.
That's a stud.
Oh my god. Oh, there's a fish.
Woo! Good morning, anglers. As you can see behind me, the sun is just starting to rise. It is 5:31 in the morning, and it's looking pretty good for a topwater bite. It's about 55 degrees right now, and in weeks past, it's been up to 70s at nighttime and in the morning, so I got a feeling it might kickstart a little feeding frenzy. So we're going to go ahead and head out on the water. Hopefully we can get on some topwater fish today.
You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun. Red and white. You are my sun. You are my sunshine. You are my sun.
Oh my goodness. Crushed it. Just crushed it. He came all the way out of the water for that bait. Get over here, buddy. Wow, he's pulling. Jeez, it's not even giant, but he's pulling like crazy. That's a good fish. Get up here, bud. Look at that fish. Right there. Not a bad first fish of the day. Caught him on the spook. Just cast it into some calm water behind a couple rocks, and he just crushed it. There we go.
First fish of the day right there. Look at that beauty. Caught him on the spook, and a blow up like that will wake you up. Awesome fish. Going back. See you, little buddy. Little show. Let's go.
Caught him right up here on the other side of these rocks. my God. Whoa. There he is. That was insane. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. Blew up on it 3 times. Get up here, bud. Blew up on it 3 times and finally got it. Hang on, buddy. I don't want to get hooked too. Oh my God. Right off these rocks right here. The same rocks that I just snagged that other one off of. And they are annihilating the topwater baits this morning. That is a very good sign. It's supposed to be overcast all day long, and it's not supposed to get too hot. That'll keep these fish out and about, which is going to be an awesome day. There we go. Another largemouth bass. That was one of the most insane eats I've ever had on topwater. Oh. Backlash. Might as well get that out of the way. That was insane. Oh my goodness. Another one. This one's a better one. Off those rocks. This is definitely a better fish. At least it looked like it. Get up here, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, I snagged him in the stomach. Flipped him right over. Get up here, bud. Oh, there we go. What's up, buddy? I don't even know how I hooked him. He's hooked deep in the bottom jaw. We'll get him unhooked real quick. There we go.
Another one on the spook right off these same rocks. What a fish. See ya, buddy.
Down in the water he goes. It is gonna be an awesome day.
Look at this, you guys. I got a gang of loons coming to see what the heck is going on over here. What's with all the commotion? We want some fish. Whole gang of them, 4 of them right there. That's the type of things you'll see up to camp. Let's get back to fishing.
Had one. Dang it. There he is. Picked it back up. Picked it back up. I hooked him for a sec. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a good bass right there. That's a good fish. He just spit out a ton of soft plastics. Oh, I got him barely hooked. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Get over here, buddy. That's a good fish. Barely hooked in the corner. In the corner of the mouth. That's a giant. Get over here, buddy. Let's go. On the spook. Let's freaking go. That is a big fish. That's probably 4-pounder right there, I bet. Hang on, bud. I gotta get you unhooked. This topwater bite today, I keep saying it, but it's gonna be insane.
Look at that fish right there. That's a stud. That's an awesome bass right there. Whew, boy, he's feisty too. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. What a fish. Just taking some time reviving her here. The water is very warm. She just crushed that spook once. I missed her, and she came right back for it. What a fight, and what a fish. I think she's ready to go. There she goes. What a fish that was. That will really get your blood pumping in the morning. Oh, I can't be any more grateful than to be out here early morning, up to camp, just having a great old time.
Little guy. There he is. Little guy, nailed it. Get over here, buddy. Oh, lost him. A little smallmouth bass. A little change of pace. Cast it over there. I saw a bunch of rocks down in the water along those weeds as well. Figured there'd be something over there. There's a little guy. Little bass up in the shallows. Over here, buddy. Little dude on the spook. Got you, bud. Well, maybe not. Now I do. Little guy up in these shallows. I've been fishing the shallow water for about a half an hour now, and this is the only guy that's come out of it. They're so feisty though. So feisty. I think most of the fish that are gonna bite this spook are gonna be out on the main lake, and the reason being is the shallow water cools down a lot quicker at night than the main lake does. So I have a feeling that that's where I'm gonna get most of the bites. I'm gonna go put that to the test, find some other main lake spots to throw the spook around, and then maybe when it gets warmer later, I'll come back into these shallows where the fish should be congregating once that water starts to warm up. So there's a fish. There's one on the whopper plopper. Largemouth bass. Jeez. Get up here, buddy. Awesome little dude. On the whopper plopper. First whopper plopper fish of the morning. Decided to switch to it just because my wrist got a little bit tired of jerking that little spook around. There he is right there. A little largy. See you, bud. Oh my God. He jumped right out of the water for it. Smashed the whopper plopper. That's not a bad one. Crushed it. Get over here, buddy. Whoa. They're so feisty. There he is. On the whopper plopper. It's crazy how some of these fish, they just kind of slurp it down, and other ones completely destroy the bait. Spook and the whopper plopper are putting in some work. There's another nice one. There's another one. Same spot. Same spot. Another fish on that whopper plopper. A little bit smaller than that last one. Get up here, buddy. Another largemouth bass on the whopper plopper. They're definitely feeding on some form of bait fish down there. And he's been caught before. This is where my hook was, right here. And he's got a big hook hole right there. So he's had a rough little life. Go grow big, bud. Very aggressive fish with this cooler water. It's very good to see. Good morning, Sleeping Beauty.
Where are you?
I'm just straight across from the campground. You gonna come out and come fishing?
Yeah, but I don't want to. I don't get my short shirt.
Well, let me know when you're on the long dock.
Okay.
Alright, I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
So it sounds like Miss Andro Angler is going to make an appearance today. We're going to go pick her up at the long dock where I launched from, and hopefully we can get her on some fish today as well. So let's go pick her up. Target acquired. Target engage. Damn, girl, you looking fine. You wanna hop in my boat? Is that a yes? Watch that hook right there, though. That topwater bait. Yeah. Let's go fishing.
Do you want a whopper plopper or a jitterbug or a popper? You ain't finna have no whopper plopper? No whopper plopper. Miss Andro Angler. You want that thing? Ow. That's like a popper, kinda. Yeah. With the whopper plopper, you don't have to work it though. You just cast and reel it in. With this, you have to like pop, 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 pop. Let's try it. Takes 2 casts and immediately switches over to the whopper plopper.
No, I reeled in too much.
Is that smallie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it is. Nice little smallie. Yeah, buddy. First brown bass of the trip. First one of the trip. Going back, not a giant. On that same spook that I've been catching them on all morning. Now it's Ivy's turn.
I don't know about that, but... Oh!
Got one. Real man. That's a smallie.
Little baby.
Did he jump right out of the water?
I don't think so. Oh, I barely
Don't reel it all the way in.
I didn't mean to.
To break the tip of the rod.
I didn't mean
reel
to.
some in.
Yep.
Chill out, bud. There he is. First fish of the day for Ivy. What do you think? Pretty
What's all
cool.
the black spots on him? Worms?
Yeah, little parasites and stuff. You wanna hold him?
No, it's all over his mouth.
Alright. See you, bud.
Uh-uh. No, I didn't see. Oh.
Oh, I got one too. Doubled up. Doubled up. Get him in. This might be our first double ever.
Uh-oh.
Get him in. Oh, he's stuck in the weeds. Just pull straight. Oh, you beat me though. Yours big. Oh boy. Hang on, I'll give you a hand. Let me get this frisky guy. Got him. Doubled up.
No.
Let me get it. Hang on. Let me get my guy undone.
Buddy.
Ow. Okay. Ouch.
I didn't have my footing good.
Bunch of frisky bass. Sweet. 1 and 2. Cheers.
Oh, Jesus.
Double up of the century. Going back. Good job, babe. Wow. You did it.
Wait, I'm stuck.
All right, now bring us over there. We want to go
Stuck in here.
to the cove. What's stuck? You get the pull cord stuck in your GoPro? How?
I don't know.
Unscrew the GoPro, you dingus. Yeah,
I'm missing a part.
that lever, pull it forward towards us. Yeah. Okay, don't go too fast because I don't know where the rocks are. That, and I'm on the front, so I might be weighing us down. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I gotta move. I'm gonna move. That was wet. That away. And then press that. Perfect.
I think I do a better job than you do.
No, you don't. You're fishy, 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 fishy. Ooh. Just that little guy.
Babe.
I don't know what that sound was. Probably not good, whatever it was. I bet.
I ain't had a s'more since we've been here.
Me neither.
A s'more. No.
There's the fish.
Pay attention, jeez. Oh!
Get one. Double again. Oh my.
Oh, dang it.
Doubled up again. I win.
I won the last time.
Get up here, buddy. It's like a swap of what happened last time. I get the bigger one, you get the smaller one. Bam! Look at that double up.
Oh, Scott.
Ivy.
Well, grab him. He's a squirmy little one.
Yes. Hold him tight this time. Cheers. 2 double ups in one day. Sending them back. Good job, babe.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
Ooh. Yeah, stupid pickerel again, I think.
Oh my God! Uh-oh. Oh, it's just a baby one. Oh, it's a pickle!
Snot rocket.
Dang it.
It's probably that one that was chasing my frog a minute ago.
Oh, he's mad.
Yeah, he's not happy about it. Not happy about it.
Quit snagging the line then.
Second pickerel.
Oh, look at his teeth.
I know. They're sharp.
Ooh.
Sharp little teeth.
Touch him.
Don't. Let him go. We'll pick him. Nasty, nasty, nasty.
You wanna tell my sign go on?
Pull. Harder. There. Ooh, there he is. That was the most delayed hook set ever. I didn't feel him at all for a second. That's not a bad bass. Not a bad bass. Get over here, buddy. Ah, there he is. Got him. There he is. Bass on the spook all day long. Fishing this last cove before we head in to go get some lunch. I'm fishing the spook and a frog, and Ivy has been fishing with a little Senko. Still got quite a bit left before we get out of here, but I'm sure there's plenty more fish we can catch. You got one. Oh, I got one. Nailed it. That's a good one. That's a good one right there. Get up here, buddy. Gotta kind of dodge it around some of the lily pads and weeds, but I know, he's chunky. I'm gonna say 2.5. He's not a giant. Not a giant. They're just loving it today. What do you think? You having fun? All right, anglers, we're headed back to camp to go get some grub. We're getting hungry. Did you have a good time today? Ivy caught a couple bass, I caught a couple bass, a couple big ones on that spook. That seemed to be the prime thing to throw today, is top water. So I may come out fishing a little bit later, but we're gonna go ahead and head back. I am the Andro Angler. This is Miss Andro Angler, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode of Up to Camp.